Hi everybody. Today I will introduce you China make a new product, competitor product. This is ezcap. ezcap 270. ezcap 270. It can work with the iPhone be live streaming. Okay, this its function is the same as the FEBON iCapture grabber card. Now I will test this ezcap 270 and FEBON iCapture with together. I will show him the difference. Okay. I will test some items. The first item I will test the hdmi compatible test. I will test the SONY camcorder and the canon DSLR and the GoPro Hero 7. GoPro Hero 7. Okay. The second topic I will test the real YouTube live and the Facebook live. How to do? Okay. The third item I will test the video local video time latency. Okay. Because in the box, because ezcap 270 show me it can connect the PS3, PS4. For gaining live streaming. So I will test the video time latency. Okay, let's go. This is ezcap 270 capture card with iPhone use, iOS use. This is micro USB connect. This is you can connect the Lightning or Type-C cable. Okay. How to do? First, connect the micro USB cable. Oh, the case is not good. You can see, not good. So you need use your finger to fix your case and the part. If not, you will become this one. It's not good. It's not good. So you need use your finger to fix. And then connect the lightning cable. This is lightning cable. Okay, and then turn on your iPad and download your app ezcap, EZlive. And then plug the power. You can see the power will be higher. 800 mA. And then connect the camcorder. This is the SONY CX. This one, SONY CX450. Connect the HDMI. You also use your finger to fix the box, the case. Fix the plug. Okay. Open ezcap, and you can see the video. Okay. This app do not have turn off the speaker, so you will see the echo. Okay. This is Canon DSLR. Connect HDMI cable. Turn on the app. Also use the Twitch, YouTube. Oh, it do not have video. It do not have video. It cannot work. Canon DSLR cannot work with this grabber card, ezcap270. I will try GoPro. This is GoPro Hero 7. HDMI. Turn on. Okay. Okay. GoPro Hero 7 can work with this ezcap270. Okay. This is a FEBON iCapture grabber card. I will compare with the ezcap270 app. Okay, I will show the first the camcorder, Sony camcorder. Okay. If you hear the echo, you can close the speaker. You can close the speaker. I will try this one. Canon DSLR. Okay. Okay. Canon DSLR do not have audio, do not have the audio, live audio. So you can use the iPad, iPhone, mic as the audio source. MIC, see? MIC means the iPad or iPhone's audio in. You can use its audio source as a live stream audio. Okay. For ezcap 270, Canon DSLR cannot work with this grabber card, but FEBON iCapture grabber is okay, no problem. This is GoPro Hero 7. Okay. No problem, it can work. Okay. I will show the video latency test. How to test? I will use the PC and play a time and let it display. I can compare the video latency. Okay. I will start to test. This is the original time. This after grabber card process, the time will be delayed. We will calculate the video latency. I think the video latency is about maybe about 500 ms. Okay. This video latency is very high. It cannot be a PS4, PS3 monitor. This is FEBON iCapture graphic card. I also test the video latency. I will compare with the ezcap270. I will want to compare with this one. Okay. Open app and start. You can see the video latency is about 100 ms. 100 ms. The ezcap270 is about 500 ms. The video latency is very high. The video is very small. Okay. The ezcap270 iOS capture graphic card can be Facebook Live. I will test. The answer is no. It cannot do the Facebook Live. Even you use the rtmp and the string key method with the app, it cannot do. I will test. I will show you how it cannot do the Facebook Live. Okay, please use your PC. And please go to. I will do the Facebook Live. Please copy the string key, rtmp and the string key to your Facebook, to your Gmail. I will send to your iPhone, iPad. I send. Okay. After you send, we use open the ezcap app, edit. I will use the FB, Facebook, rtmp. Okay, I will copy the Gmail. Escape. FB is what? I will start live streaming. Go to my Facebook. No video. No video. Okay. I will also try the YouTube Live to show you. Go ahead. Back. Edit. UT. And go to Gmail. Copy. Okay. Go to Gmail again. Copy. Okay, save. YT. Okay, left. I will show. YouTube is okay, but Facebook is not okay. You can see the live streaming. This is live streaming. Okay. YouTube. So my result is Facebook is not. ezcap270 cannot do the Facebook Live. But it can do the YouTube Live. Okay, I do not know why it cannot do the Facebook Live. Okay. For FEBON iCapture graphics card, it is very easy to do the Facebook Live and the YouTube Live. Okay, you just turn on your app. I connect the camcorder. Okay. You just turn on your app. And manage edit. I use the Facebook first. Facebook. Continue. Okay. Continue. Done. Go Facebook. Okay, you can see the personal page and the group. I use the personal. Not training. No problem. Okay, I will show YouTube Live. YouTube Live. Management, edit, YouTube. Log in. Continue. Load. Done. YouTube. Go live. YouTube. Start stream. Okay. Go live. Start stream. Okay, let's go to I see the YouTube Live. Live streaming. It is very easy. Okay. So, FEBON iCapture graphics is very easy to log in YouTube Live and Facebook Live. This live box, it cannot do the Facebook Live, and it is not easy to do the YouTube Live. You need to copy paste the rtmp and string key. Okay.